road rage. When someone does something to you, it's irritating, frustrating. It could have been a threat to you. And then you get angry, you start swearing, you start getting... And the irony is the person doesn't even hear you behind a screen and a window. And it's very strange psychology. There's no real benefit with it. It just allows the nafs to get its fill. And then, were we to be confronted about that, look at this principle. So, yeah, but these people, they just don't know how to drive. So, okay, so the reason why you got angry is your deep concern for people following the rules of the road. MashaAllah. Really? It enraged you that much that people, did not use their indicator. SubhanAllah. In reality, it's to do with the nafs was put in a momentary place of agitation, didn't know how to process it, didn't know how to deal with it, so it lashed out. We lost our principles for a moment. We slipped up, we said a word. This faculty within you, ghadab, anger. And if you're able to sever those channels, if you're able to get less angry and channel your anger and understand your anger, then it's going to leave backbiting. It's going to be much easier to control one's tongue than speaking ill of others. You're not going to be able to have to swear or use foul language. You would have nipped it in the bud.